Hello, this is Crypto Street. Welcome to subscribe my channel. I am Violet. Today is the 8th of August, 2022. This video we will talk about two pieces of news. Cardano price as 30% rally as ADA accumulation accelerates among whales and sharks. ADA's performance in the past few weeks has been impressive, with network activity reaching new heights as bullish sentiment remains sustained. Most recently, an accumulation trend witnessed amongst ADA addresses puts the asset on a podium for a significant takeoff should it survive the days ahead. Whale and shark ADA addresses have amassed $138 million in days. A recently unveiled sentiment chart indicates a frenzy of persistent accumulation by ADA's shark and whale addresses, holding 10,000 and 10 million ADA tokens. Respectively, these two address categories have amassed $138 million worth of ADA in just 8 days. The accumulation level remains relatively low compared to past events. Still, having added 0.46% of ADA's current existing supply since July 27, the amassment appears to be gaining ground, and if sustained further into August, it could pave the way for a massive ADA breakout. This accumulation trend is the first the Cardano community is witnessing following the massive dump experienced in mid-June as ADA shed a significant portion of its value from June 10 to June 18 alongside the rest of the markets. The crypto winter's touch was most felt during this period, and like most assets, ADA is gradually recovering the losses incurred. ADA has remained fettered at $0.5. As ADA faces a period of consolidation around the $0.5 zone following the relief rally of July. A new push from positive sentiments could just be the catalyst for the asset's breakout from this level, where accumulation could factor in and accelerate this movement. Since ADA has remained fettered to the $0.5 level for a while now, this level indicates that the asset is gradually improving, as psychological support appears to be stationed at the $0.5 zone. ADA seems to have soared past the $0.45 support and is awaiting a push to conquer the $0.5 level. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Click the link below and register Lbank exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.